Hello, my name is Terry. My call sign Golf 4 Papa Oscar Papa. This tutorial is about the Transceiver Control Interface developed by Expert Electronics for their SunSDR receivers and transceivers. And it's now widely accepted by, for instance, Thetis to communicate with the Hermes Lite transceiver and also AND transceivers. And it's a complete control interface. It's not just CAT. It controls the audio streaming in and out, and also data, and also of course CW in and out. But a very capable interface, very new. Quite a few of the locking programs are starting to implement it. Log4OM implemented it when it first came out, and we're pleased to say its development continues. Anyway, the screen you're looking at now is actually the SunSDR software. You'll see on the bottom toolbar there is a green button, illuminated TCI. That turns on and off the connection with the server. If you right click on that button, it will tell you the port number, which is in this case 40,001. So you need to know that number and make a note of it. Once that's turned on, you've got communication with the software to your radio. You could also, of course, change the settings by going into the settings menu and change the port number you want to use there if you wish. I use 40,001 because it doesn't conflict with anything else on my computer. So once having set up the SunSDR software to accept the TCI connection, we go to Log4OM, and in the settings menu, program configuration, the CAT interface, choose the TCI protocol and set it to CAT auto start. And if you go to the TCI tab, make sure the port number here is 40,001, same as in the SDR software. And also you have the address of your local machine, which is 127.0.0.1. You'll notice all down here, spot management, cluster spots from Log4OM can be sent to the SDR software displayed on the band map, and by clicking on a call sign on the band map, Log4OM will automatically look up the call and adjust the frequency and so on. And here you can set that to work or not by enabling it, and you can also set the colour that is shown on the pan adapter in the SDR software. Once having set this up, just click Save and Apply, and you will see up here the frequency of the SDR software is shown. And if we change the frequency here, it will change in the SDR software. That's the second VFO, and this is the main VFO. So you can see you can change it there, or if you change it in, or you see the SDR software, it will also change Log4OM. So everything working as it should. And the cluster spots, of course, double clicking the cluster spot will change the frequency in Log4OM and on the radio. So very, very compatible. The Kia interface also is TCI, so you can go and set the settings in the Kia, which is there you go, and select TCI protocol in there, and that will then also work with the SunSDR radios. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this is informative, and look out for future tutorials from Log4OM.